y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I just finished installing these mini twists. I do like how they came out, but I still want to add a bit of length and volume. So I think I've got something in mind that you all will find to be very easy. So if you want to know how I went from this left picture to the right picture, please stay tuned. To create my desired look, I will be using extensions from BetterLength Hair. BetterLength specializes in making textured clip-ins from 100% virgin human hair. This is the hair straight out of the packaging. This particular bundle is 4B4C textured in 16 inches. It has a very nice density and is very full. Here's a glimpse of what the hair looks like with activated curls after being washed and conditioned. After washing all 10 wefts of hair, I hung them from this mannequin head and allowed them to dry overnight. And this is the result. This is what the hair looks like fully dry. And I can tell that this is going to match my hair perfectly. And as you've probably already guessed, in order to create the look that I want, I have to make mini twists out of the Afro Kinky extensions. So one important tip I want to give is to make sure that the twists on the extensions are the same size as the ones that you did on your own head. Now you want to do this because you want the extensions to blend in seamlessly when added to your hair. Notice I am taking a small section of hair, smoothing it out with my fingers, and using the standard method of twisting from root to end. I'm done twisting the extensions. Now I'm going to spritz it with this mixture of aloe vera juice, leave-in conditioner, and water. Now I want to shrink the twists just a tad so that they aren't so much longer than my hair. Now I'm not totally drenching the hair, but I am misting it enough to where it is slightly damp. Now I'm going to scrunch the bottom of the hair with my hands to assist in defining the curls on the ends. Then I'll do some trimming and shaping, followed by application of this Aunt Jackie's Shine Boss to add some sheen. So here is a close-up of the hair, and y'all, these twists came out so great. I am loving the texture of the hair and how natural it looks. I'm going to start adding the clip-ins at the back. First, I will release a row of my hair, grab a weft that is the same width, and attach it. Then I'll repeat those steps as I work my way up. I want to take a second to show you guys how well the extensions are blending in with my own hair. You can hardly tell I have clip-ins installed, and it's giving me the desired fullness that I want. It's added some length to my hair, and clip-ins against my hair, it's pretty seamless. I've made it to the point where I want my leave out to be, so I will add one more weft, and that will be my stopping point. Now, if I left my hair just like this, whenever I release my leave out, you would still be able to see the weft that I have my finger on. And of course, I do not want that. So I'm going to use the flip over method to conceal it. This is done by taking another weft of hair, attaching it in the opposite direction, right up against the previous piece installed, just as I'm doing here. Now I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to flip it over. Now it will be a little stiff because you are forcing it in a direction that it's not supposed to go. So to relax it a bit, I'm going to add some hairpins. Now these are not bobby pins. These are hairpins, so please remember that if you are trying this method. I'm going to insert some hairpins so that the weft can be flattened out a bit. And then once I release my leave out, the weft will be fully covered and you will not be able to tell that it's there. And now I have a very realistic and natural look by adding these extensions to my mini twist. I really love how it came out and it matches my hair perfectly. I'm going to glam up a little bit and be back to show you guys the finished results. Here's the final look, y'all, and I am so amazed at just how one bundle of hair was able to enhance my entire look. I ended up using 7 of the 10 wefts. These 3 pieces were left over, so that is evidence that one bundle or 10 pieces of hair is more than enough for a full head. That about wraps up my video, you guys. Hopefully, I provided you all with some useful information. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the hair that BetterLength sent me. It blends in perfectly with my 4B textured hair. It looks natural, and I can't wait to use it in other styles. For more details on the hair that was used, check out the description box down below. I will also list the links to BetterLength's website as well as their social media accounts. I'm happy to be able to provide you all with a promo code that is in the description box as well. And also, if you have a second, check out my merchandise store. The link is directly below this video. And as always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. See y'all later. Bye.